In China, there are so many great painters. So I feel they are very high level already. If hard to reach them. When I started to carve stone, I was, I was young. I have more energy than this, and I always fascinated with the forms. From very beginning, I always want to do the sculpture with the movement. I love the sports figure because it shows the power and the movement. I did not want to make it just like one single body. I feel it's too easy for me. So I make a double bodies, any kind of combination, try to make myself more challenging. For a long time, I didn't work with what kind of material I have. Stone is minus the material. You take away from the material. You cannot make any mistakes. I always work very fast, quicker than most people. So that's a really benefit to my restoration work. I don't want to do anything too close to my artwork. And I don't want to do anything too far from artwork. So that's how I think the restoration was perfect for me. And it's not boring. Every building, every project is different. Every time I can learn different things. And I feel satisfaction for myself is the most important thing. I feel happy with the success of the project. Do a good job. That means that you really step on the history. The goal is not to let people not notice. The goal is to support the structure. We have to save the existing original material. I feel very good when every time I pass those sites. I think drawing is the spirit of the fine arts. People can see how your drawing is from your artwork. And every time when you draw, the lines, the forms really helps for your creation. I practice because I want to be an artist. I want to be a sculptor. If you treat yourself as an artist, when you see everything in the life, you will see it's an art object and make the life more colorful. I continuously struggle in my artwork, in my art creation. I want to be an artist. I want to be someone really can fit in the art history. I have feelings, I have thought, and I have my great effort. New York is a very important city in the world art. So I'm stay here. I try to reach my goal.